Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds and touch areas located at the back side. Right here we have BELKIN and this one is touch area. So with it you can play or pause the song with a single press. With a double press you can play next track or next video. With a triple press you can play previous track. You can also call voice assistant by press and hold your left or right earbud. You can mute or unmute the microphone, but again press and hold. And you can also reject a call, also with a press and hold, and you can answer and finish the call by double press at your touch areas. Next one, these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices with your earbuds simultaneously. You need to only press and enter prank mode by press and hold at the both of touch areas until the LED lights start blinking blue. But we have a video how to enter prank mode or all controls and gestures, so you can check it if you don't know how. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the both of touch areas at the same time for at least 10 seconds, until you will see that the LED light blinking white and blue, and then it will turn off, and then you need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!